Hey everyone, I'm Sam. I run an automation consulting called Profit Plug AI. We did over $400,000 last year. The goal is to hit $1 million by the end of this year. The reason I make these videos is because I feel like there's a lot of crap that's going on in the market where everybody's trying to teach you what the latest AI tool is, but very little people actually talk about what it takes to actually make money through this stuff. And my goal is that me sharing what I'm doing on a daily basis and showing up every day here can hopefully give you value so that you could also do something similar, or if you're already doing something similar, just share thoughts, share values, share tactics about how we're building things. So I start off with some YouTube comment Q&A. Today we don't have questions, so we have two comments, one from Ankur who says consistency, and the other one by Fat Bear Can't Walk who says so cool. So for those of you who don't know, yesterday I did not have the setup next to me, so I just recorded. I made a Loom video and I posted it online. I did not want anybody else to watch it, so I was like, don't click on this video so that people don't see it. The good part is the analytics. I wanted to show you this. The graph, things have been looking great. I mean, almost 1,000 views. I was not expecting this. We also hit what? Like 40 subs? Yo, I was not expecting this at all. At all. So, thank you for all of this. So, coming to the business strategy, the goal is simple right now. Right now, what I want to do is I want to increase leads for the business, right? I want to do it for my B2B consulting. And I also want to create flow for what I'm doing right now. So I'm creating an opportunity to create something B2C. The goal for both of these is for me to create flow, then monetize flow, and then add friction. What I mean by creating flow is basically what I want is a lot of people just coming to me and being like, yo, I want to buy from you. Or, just give me something. Give me something that I can consume from your side. Flow is very important because what a lot of people miss is they build something great, or they have some workflows or some automations that they have in mind, and they spend a lot of time doing that rather than creating flow for that. I am a firm believer in create flow first, monetize it later, right? So I like to typically not have a price tag for anything. I keep things free until there are too many people who want something for free. Then I sort of increase the price a little. The number of people decrease, but I start making money. And then in order to have quality leads only, so only quality clients that I work with, I just add friction to be able to buy my stuff. What I see a lot of people do is they have a lot of these a lot of systems and funnels going on, but they restrict their flow before it even begins. So that's what I'm planning to do. Now, in spirit of creating flow, on the B2B side, I am warming up my emails. So this should take 2 weeks. And after that, I should have the capacity to send, I think, like 100K mails a month, I believe. So I should have some way of reaching out to these people. And by the time I am warming these things up, I will meanwhile work on like something valuable that I can send to these people. So this is basically a lead magnet. So I'll figure out a lead magnet while these emails are getting warmed up. On the B2C side, this is something that has been consuming a lot of my attention right now, because what I want to do is I'm realizing my flow is directly proportional to the number of hours of quality content on the internet, right? So I want to increase this number as much as I possibly can. I am willing to invest 20 to 25 hours a week at least to this, assuming I work 7 days a week, which I do. This should be something that I can accommodate easily. So this is basically 3 hours a day. We'll probably do more, but this is what I want to start off with as a bare minimum commitment. So how I've been thinking about this is, how do I accommodate content into my day to day without changing the way I work. This is what I've been trying to figure out. So everything from the time that I get up to the work hours that I to like the focus hours that I'm putting out, and then there are also a few parts of my day where I am not exactly working, but I am just chilling out and I'm just looking at what's going on in the market. I want to sort of make sure that in order to get to increase this, what I want to do is every waking hour where I think I can talk, and work at the same time. I'm not used to doing this, by the way. So I can talk and work at the same time, or I can just talk to a camera. I want to be able to capture this. So once I figured out how to capture it, then I can figure out how can I organize it and then basically post it and make sure that only stuff that's valuable is going out to you guys. Yep. So in the spirit of that, I figured that streaming is one way I can do that. I can stream a few times. One is when I'm actually doing something where I think I can talk, or where it's the time where I'm actually just exploring what's going on, like whatever is the latest that's going on out there. These are the times that I think I can stream. Also, the other times I'm usually focused. So if I go start to end, I start the day, I look at my phone. Shouldn't be doing that, but I do that. Look at my phone for a few hours, look at what's going on, scroll through some Twitter. Then I typically get into a few work sessions. Eventually my energy drops, and then I'm mostly talking to Claude. So this is me, like, I call these coffee and Claude sessions that I have going on. So I do that. So I think I can accommodate a fair chunk of that online. And regarding content, I think all of this would make for great clips, great shorts. The reason being, I can sit and do this, and I can have some workflow. Or there might be some tools that automatically do this. probably use that so that I can leverage this to create stuff that's more digestible. And then also, I want to create these daily updates where I'm just thinking about what I want to do. And lastly, I want to do, like, I want to create a main channel where I want to plan and basically overwhelm people with value. I think that's like, I just want the main channel to be synonymous with value. That's what I want. So this is what I've been thinking about. I do want to leverage my time and only do things that are unscalable myself. And initially, my plan was to hire an agency to do stuff like this. So there are agencies that charge you anywhere from three to 6K to do this. I reached out to a few of them as well, and just because they did not reply to, so I went and I even booked a calendar, right? I booked a slot on their calendar. They rescheduled. Then I booked another slot. They didn't show up. What the hell, guys? What the hell are you guys doing? If I'm booking a call with you, just show up. If I'm gonna come here, I have the money to pay. I wanna pay you a bunch of green dollars. Just take my money. So, a few agencies didn't take my money. I'm sure they had something else going on. But the agency that I really wanted to work with, they were not available. And I was like, do I think I can do this myself? I was like, yeah, I think I can figure it out. Because I think I am brain rotted enough to figure out what works versus what does not work. And these sort of personal brand, whatever agencies, are good for people who just really do not understand how social media works in general. And I grew up watching YouTube. So I think I can figure it out. It would be so cool if we can just do more numbers than these agencies. But yeah, anyways, there was that. Really stoked about it. Also, 40 subs. I've only posted 5 days. This is awesome. This is really awesome. I don't know which graph it was, but it was looking like a stripper pole. Shouldn't be saying that stuff, but which graph was it? Maybe this. Yeah. On my mobile phone, it just looked straight. So, really happy about this. Really happy about this. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Hope you have a lovely rest of the day. Hope that stuff makes sense. If you have questions, just post them down in the comments. I am looking forward to questions. I am here to answer all of them. You'll see me tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.